guys, it's Candy here with Crazy Eights Life, and I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you this month. Alright, so the first thing you get in every box is a welcome letter or a note talking about what they have given you. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm going to make it shorter. I cannot hardly read. But it just says, let's jump right in. Pair the Love Ellie and Ready pullovers with the Just USA skinny jean and add your favorite scarf and booties for a complete look. You can also layer the cardigan over the Fortune and Ivy top. Have you had an opportunity to check out the new shop feature on our website app? If you're feeling the urge to splurge between fixes, you may find some pieces you love there. Love, Jamie. I think last time I had Kelly. I'm not sure about that, and I have not really looked at the shop app too much. I know it's on there, I've seen it on there, I just haven't kind of gone to it. I think they have an area that has like all of your past purchases, and then maybe they even have things that go with that. I will have to check that out more though. I haven't at this time. I do get on there every once in a while and kind of also these are coming in every box now because it's kind of a newer thing where they have the curated shop, which is what they're talking about. And it does say complete looks styled with your purchased Stitch Fix items. So they'll keep a record of everything that you've ever purchased. And then if you go on your curated shop, it'll tell you things or items that would go along with those items that you purchased, which is good if you do any kind of like wardrobe capsule type. I guess it's, oh my gosh, capsule wardrobe. I think that's what it's called. I try to do that, but I don't really do too good at it. But if you do anything like that, it kind of helps because then you just have those key items in your wardrobe and you can add just what you are missing. All right. Also on your letter, you do get ideas for how to pair your outfit. I don't really use that. I think I said that before, but you can see that there are some outfit ideas. So the first item we have is it's a Fortune and Ivy Lighten Zip Detail Mix. I believe that's this, yes. So a black tank, I get it in my coffee there, that has a zip down the front and some cute little pockets. I think this top is cute. It's very soft and feels like it would be comfortable. It'd be cute under the cardigan maybe that they had sent me. And this top I received before. I did say I liked it. I'm wondering if they sent it in a different size because the other one was a little bit, just a little bit snug. So this is the Love Ellie. It is a different size. It is a larger size than I had last time. So Love Ellie in like a burgundy color. Let's try to show you with some detail on the back. And I did like this top before. It was just a little bit snug. So I don't know if that's why they sent me. It's the exact same color, everything. And then we have a Ready sweater. Let's see. Well, okay. Excelia textured crew neck pullover in olive in a size medium. I didn't tell you the prices. This one is $42. This Love Ellie is $44. The Fortune Ivy zip is $36. And then we have the cardigan which is Letty and Me Maron ribbed double front pocket, I guess it's gonna say, and that's 46 in beige. This is, I love cardigans. And although this is lightweight, I'm not sold on the feel. It's not real soft, but we'll see when I have it on with a shirt how it feels. And then a Just USA, which I love their jeans. Some of the first pairs I had were Just USA. Oh my goodness, they were so comfortable. But I love Stitch Fix jeans. These are Just USA Marion Skinny Jean. And I'm going to, oh, I'm sorry, the Stitch Fix, or the jeans are $58. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you and let you see how they look on. But before we do that, the total of all 5 items would come to $226. If you were to buy all 5, you get a 25% discount, which is $56.50 off, which brings it to $169.50, plus your $20 styling fee would come off, which makes this $140 for the whole box if you would get all 5 items, which isn't bad. They all seem like really good quality. I don't have an issue with any of them as far as the quality goes, but we'll try them on and see how they look, and I will be back. Okay guys, we're here with the first outfit. I have on the Just USA Marion Skinny Jean in a size 8 in color indigo. Just USA, they are so comfortable. These are comfortable. I don't know about the top up here, and the top is a little bit loose, like around the waist, which is fine, except for jeans tend to loosen up as the day goes on. So I'm not sure, but super, super comfy. I could sleep in these. And then this top is the Fortune and Ivy Light and Zip Detail Mix, and it is super comfy. It's like, I don't know, it's really soft in the back. It's a different, so the mixed material. The front is a little bit more like kind of a blousey material. I like the zipper detail and the pocket detail, and it's super comfy. I feel like I could, you know, wear this through the holidays and mix it up with several different color cardigans or jewelry, different types of things. I think it's a good classic piece to add to my wardrobe. So in neutral, I always am about neutrals as much as possible. All right, I'm gonna throw the cardigan on over this. All right, I am back with the Letty and Me, I don't know, Maron ribbed double front pocket. So it does have the pockets on both sides. It is a longer cardigan. The material actually is great. It actually feels very lightweight. I was afraid that with the style of material it would feel heavy. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I think it's a great cardigan just to kind of throw on over things, especially this season where the weather, I'm in Indiana, the weather is cold and hot and cold and hot. So it's a nice cardigan just to kind of throw on and take off. I like the color. It has some speckles of like gray and black in the beige, so it, you know, can pull several items together, I think. I actually like it. And the next thing I will have, let's see, tail pullover, but I'll go ahead and try that on real quick, and then we'll have the Ready textured crew neck pullover. I'll be right back. All right guys, I am back with the Excelia textured crew neck pullover in olive, size medium, cost is $42. And it fits really well. The color does match the items in my wardrobe for this time of the year. The material, I feel like maybe I have to be very careful about washing it. I just feel like it's one that would shrink and maybe get misshapen. So I don't think I probably would be keeping this unless I'm keeping the whole box. But it's comfortable. It matches my wardrobe, and I think it's a good top. So let me know what you think. I can turn around and let you see the fit. Of course, you can probably, it's longer. You probably wear it with leggings, or you can do a little tuck like I had it earlier. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, this is the last item, and like I said, I already received this before, and I really liked it. But the last one was a size smaller, and just kind of around the bra area here, it was just kind of tighter. So they sent me a size up. I didn't ask to send a size up, but it is a super, super comfy sweater. And then I will show you the back here has this detailing. It's super soft. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's super soft and comfortable, and I really actually like it, and I like the color, and it also goes to my wardrobe. So honestly, I could see myself keeping the whole box. The only one I'm not actually sure of, which I am kind of shocked because I love Stitch Fix jeans, are the Just USA jeans, and that is only because and I feel like in the waist they're just going to loosen up, and maybe I'm going to be hiking them up all day. But other than that, the fit and the legs and even the butt, it's just the waist part up here and right in this front area. The rest of it fits great. So we'll see. I would love to know what you think about these 5 items, but I honestly could see me keeping the whole box. But let me know what you think.